Hello, Guru Nation. Welcome back. I'm here with Monica and special guest, first ever video, Orum. And that's Monica's puppy.
Well, you all
And
wear masks.
there's Chris.
Gonna get the dogs.
Where's your mask, man? Shame on you. Chris, for the record, doesn't wear masks. So basically, we're here. You want to babysit Orum? We got a question from a viewer about how to manage the day-to-day life of a study coordinator.
Oh, yes.
And basically entering data, things like that. Chris is loving it. You need a new dog.
Oh no. Are you hungry? I'm not edible.
So basically, can you read the question? Like, what's the question say? So that we can answer. And as you can see behind Monica is the CRC Academy. We teach all this there, but let's go through the question and give people some free advice.
Yeah, so it says, can you create a video on how CRC can continue to manage and keep up with data entry, organization, etc.?
Okay, so what do you think? Because you do this more than me now.
I think you have to make a strategy to organize things. Actually, we were discussing that with the students last week, that everybody has different ways to manage things and different ways to organize. But for example, one thing that we do is like we have everything organized in different files even in the email. You have to start with the email. And then you can have whiteboards with all the studies that you have in charge and put things that are pending with the dates. I also paired that with
you actually have this behind us. I can't show it though, but you do have one.
And I also paired with my reminders in my phone. And additionally, we have every week we organize time to check the data entry and everything, right? Like queries and if you have any information missing or whatever. But remember that regardless that, it's a big no-no to wait more than 48 hours to 72 hours on entry the data, because that actually is going to show that your site is not that good in regards the data entry. It has to be like pretty much straight away, and then also keep up like every week. Like for example, you say I'm gonna check Monday from 9 to 12, all the EDCs every week.
So you batch your activities. And when the patients are there, obviously when the patients are there, you have to focus on the patients. But when they're gone, that's when all the work really starts. And that's where sometimes coordinators, because the patient's not there, then they get lazy a little bit with the data entry. And we even used eSource here with Creo. So that's that's supposed to make life easier a little bit. But so far, nothing is integrated with Source and EDC, so you have to always go in and enter the data on the EDC. Anything else that we missed?
So I think it's very important, like for example, to create days during the week to do that, to check like twice a week at least, because that way you can cover the answer of all the queries. You can cover if there is any regulatory that you have to add new, and when you check all these EDCs, also include the IRBs. And check and make sure that everything is up to date.
Okay, good stuff. So hopefully we helped answer all the questions, right? That's all of them?
Yeah, that's it, I think.
It is tough to be a coordinator, but it's the best place to get started. It's the best place to learn the industry because you're doing all this stuff. So it forces you to learn just about everything, basically, at least from the site level.
Yeah.
Good job, Monica. Now enrolling for November class, CRC Academy. And thank you very much, Chris and Orum. First ever appearance on video. Excellent job, guys.
Thank you.